Hey YouTube, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Zeke and today I'm going to change my hair color. I know those of you watching might want to have your hair color change or perhaps considering to change your hair color, or maybe you just want to see the result of using this product. But first of all, I need to tell you that this transition is from black to brown because my hair is black. The product that I'm going to use is Garnier Color Naturals and the color is 7.3 golden brown. Before we start, I need to wash my hair first and then we'll start. So what you're going to need is a bowl or container, and I'm just going to use a hair comb to apply the product to my hair. But well, if you have a better option like the brush that they usually use, then you can use that one, but I don't have it, so I'm just going to use this. And now let's do the mixture. Okay, so now that my hair is clean and dry, then we can apply the mixture of the coloring product. But like I said earlier, my hair is black, so this transition is from black to golden brown. So if you have a different hair color, then you might have a different result. So don't blame me. Okay, and now all that my hair is covered, we just have to wait for 30 more minutes and then rinse the hair with water. Okay, so this is how my hair look like, and honestly I love it because it's not too bright. I love the color. It's perfect for me, at least. I'm not sure what you're seeing on your screen, but it appears to be brighter on the screen, but if I look in the mirror, it's a little bit different. It's darker than whatever you're seeing on your screen. But to tell you, I think my hair looks a lot like this woman's hair. But yeah, that's how my hair looked like. Okay, so this is how my hair looked like under natural light. I really like my hair. Okay, I guess that's it for today. If you enjoy what you're seeing, then hit the like button and make sure to subscribe. I'm Zeke, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.